So I honestly have no idea how this happened. But you can see the point of impact is like right there. Yeah, I have the auto glass guys coming out. They do it in your driveway because I actually legally can't even drive this right now. And it will be OEM windshield glass. I was very, very particular on that. And I made certain that when the item was ordered that it was OEM glass. So I'm going to, of course, make sure that that is in fact the case when it actually comes in, or rather the guy comes to my house to install it. Well, if you're in the Boston area and you need some glass work done in your car, Ideal Glass comes right out to your house, which you've seen in this video. So I highly recommend them. And it's just 1-866-49-IDEAL. So give them a call. Does great work. Comes, like I said, comes right to your house. Super convenient. And sets up everything all professional. And you can see right there that she's almost done and I can drive it again. With perfectly shiny new glass. It's like a brand new car all over again.